Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to spend the day looking above our heads. Yes, indeed. We're going to look at the clouds in the sky today. First of all, I hope we all know what a cloud actually is. A cloud is a collection of tiny little water droplets, ice crystals and other particles suspended in the Earth's atmosphere. Now, in meteorology, the study of clouds is called nephology, and a person who studies clouds like we are today is called a nephrologist. So how do clouds form? Well, they form when warm air rises and cools down in the atmosphere. As the warm air cools, the water vapour in it turns into tiny water droplets or ice crystals. They produce precipitation, which is anything wet that falls out the sky: rain, snow, hail, or sleet. Clouds can hold millions of gallons of water. There are 10 common types of clouds which you might see in the sky above Girvan. They are altocumulus, cirrus, cirrocumulus, cirrostratus, cumulonimbus, cumulus, nimbostratus, stratocumulus, and stratus. Now, what I'd love you to do is go outside at various points over the next few days and record what you see in the sky. What type of clouds do you see? Now, all planets and moons with an atmosphere have clouds, but not all of these clouds are made out of water like ours are. Clouds move because of the wind. Some can actually move really fast. Try lying on your back and watch the clouds and see them moving for yourselves. I've wondered for quite a while now, why do clouds always look white? Well, clouds reflect light, and that is why they appear white in the sky. If you're anything like me, as you watch the clouds, you probably find different shapes sort of hiding in them. You know, like elephants, butterflies, snowmen, or hamsters. So there are 10 main types of clouds, but there are 4 main cloud types that we can see in the sky. We have cirrus clouds, which are thin and wispy. It looks as if someone's taken a cloud, stretched it, pulled pieces off, a bit like a cotton wool ball when it's pulled apart. They are thin because they're made of ice crystals instead of water droplets. Then we have the cumulus clouds. They are the puffy clouds that are usually scattered throughout the sky. Stratus clouds look like huge, thick blankets covering the sky. These are a sure sign of rain if it is warm and snow if it's cold. If stratus clouds are near the ground, they form fog. And finally, nimbus clouds. Nimbus is a cloud that already has rain or snow falling from it. These clouds are dark and are usually seen during a thunderstorm, along with thunder and lightning. Now, as you can see, this is what we've had today on the farm. It's absolutely lashing with rain. The thunder's been rumbling, the flashes of lightning, and the rain is absolutely, positively stoating off the ground right now. Now, when it's rainy like this, children, do pay attention to the puddles that are forming on the ground. A great experiment to try is to draw a chalk line around the puddle when it stops raining, and you will see evaporation taking place, because every so often when you go and check it, the puddle will miraculously have got smaller. What else can you tell me about the water cycle? Bye bye, boys and girls. See you tomorrow.